Hi YouTube users and viewers, in this video I am going to show you that how to play Hired Hero tactical games. Just follow me. It is an arcade and action game. First of all, go to ultragames.info. Open your browser, enter the address ultragames.info. It is loading, and when the site open, just go to the sidebar, which you can show in this site. The search bar, and there you can enter the hired heroes. Copy that and here paste it, hit enter. When you hit enter, it will give you your search result, hired heroes. There is some, click on play now. I have captured some screenshots for this. These are some screenshots. So enjoy the game and don't forget to like or subscribe.